Hi guys, just a quick review of the USB cable. It's the thin one. It's usually the yellow. I've got one here in the packet in pink. That's how thin the cable actually is. Lovely little ribbon cable. As you can see, USB into the charging end and the lightning cable end for an iPhone 5 or the newer iPads and iPods. Lovely little cable, pretty cheap, a lot cheaper than the Apple one. Not as cheap as some of the cheaper ones on Banggood, but it's a very attractive little cable. Thanks for watching and visit banggood.com.